Have you ever wondered what secrets the expanse of space holds? Enter the farthest reaches of space and uncover its most compelling mysteries, some so enigmatic and bizarre that they may never be solved. Humanity has made remarkable discoveries in our cosmic exploration, but certain questions remain perplexing despite centuries of probing. From the Big Bang to alien life, these peculiarities have kept us on the edge of our seats, wondering what lies beyond their implications. Hello and welcome to Amuse Mystery. Join us as we explore some chilling dark space enigmas that will likely never find a resolution. But before we continue with the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get more amazing content. Now let's get this video started. Number 7. What came before the Big Bang? If the universe began with the Big Bang billions of years ago, what came before it? Stephen William Hawking, who is a well-known physicist, says nothing. No one knows for sure though. Hawking said that anything that happened before the universe was created has no observational consequence, so we might as well cut them out of the theory and say that time began with the Big Bang. Number 6. What is dark matter? Everything and everyone is made up of baryonic matter, which includes protons, neutrons, and electrons. Until about 30 years ago, astronomers thought that the universe followed the same rules and was made entirely of baryonic matter. In the last few decades, however, scientists have found that only 5% of the universe is made of baryonic matter, and they can't even detect the other 95%. Scientists think that about 25% of the universe is made up of dark matter, but no one can say for sure what dark matter is or what it is made of yet. Number 5. Is there alien life? Since the early 1960s, scientists have theorized that it's very likely that there is intelligent life outside of Earth. The problem is that we have no scientific evidence. In fact, we haven't found any hard scientific evidence that life exists anywhere else in the universe, at least not yet. But the time may be getting closer when science proves that there is life elsewhere in our solar system, galaxy, or at least somewhere in the universe. Number 4. What is the shape of the universe? Scientists have a number of ideas about what the shape of the universe is, but as per NASA, the leading theory is that the universe is flat, which makes them believe that it is infinite in size. But since we know where the universe began and perhaps an expected endpoint, we can only observe a limited amount of it. NASA says all we can really say is that the universe is much bigger than the volume we can directly observe. Number 3. How fast is the universe expanding? The Hubble Space Telescope has been trying to figure out how fast the universe has been expanding for the past 6 years. Recently, it came up with what is considered to be the most accurate measurement to date. However, this rate is in direct conflict with independent and supposedly accurate measurements of the early universe's expansion. That worries astrophysicists because it means we know even less about our universe and how it works than we thought. The community is really grappling with understanding the meaning of this discrepancy, said the lead researcher, Adam Rees, a Nobel laureate and Bloomberg Distinguished Professor at Johns Hopkins University. Number 2. What is dark energy? Scientists think that the other 70% of the universe is made up of something called dark energy. Scientists do know that dark energy has a gravitationally repulsive effect, which is the opposite of gravitational pull, and that it is responsible for the expansion of the universe. But scientists still don't know what dark energy is, leaving NASA scratching their heads and wondering if Einstein got his theory of gravity wrong. Number 1. How did the moon form? The moon's pull on Earth is what causes the tides to rise and fall, but how did the moon come to be? After all, the moon didn't come into being until 100 million years after the solar system, and its planets did. There are different ideas, but none of them are close to being proven. Dave Stevenson, a professor of planetary science at the California Institute of Technology, says that one way to figure out how we got a moon is to figure out why Venus doesn't have one. We still haven't figured that one out either. Some mysteries should never be solved. The universe is a vast and interesting place with many things we may never understand. From the universe expanding to dark space, there are some questions that might be better left unanswered. What do you think? Are there some mysteries that are best left unsolved? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your time. We'll see you later.